inspired you to go into the field of civil engineering?
Okay, thank you very much, Engineer Bertrand. Okay, civil engineering, the way I got engineering was after secondary school. There is always a point where we reason out. You have to start thinking of where will you step into your university. So for me, I had two options when I was stepping into university. I had good grades, so I could decide if I wanted to do medical or if I wanted to do engineering. So the medical, those are the two. So we have concourse here in Cameroon that you write a concours to reduce your cost of your university expenses. When you get into a concours, you reduce your cost. So now there are two things I could either do medical or do civil engineering. So I wrote those two concourse. In engineering, you write to enter the engineering school. There are so many domains you could select to enter. So when I looked at the list, I saw civil engineering as the most challenging aspect. I'm a person that like to take challenging tasks. Okay. So that was how I decided that, okay, if I'm getting into this, I want to do something, the most challenging part of it. Okay. So there were different departments, mechanical, but I decided to do civil engineering class as the most challenging.
When in your life did you decide you want to become a civil engineer?
Well, I think when I was still a kid.
Okay, that's interesting.
When I was still a kid, because I come from a family where everybody in the family has knowledge about building and construction. Okay, so my grandfather himself was a renowned contractor in Australia. Okay, so again, so I'm the first grandson.
That's it.
So you need to understand. So now all of my uncles, all his children can do something when it comes to building and construction. All of them, they can lay blocks, they can do plastering, they can do right down to the girls.
Wow, so your family is like a family of construction,
yeah,
where everybody does the same.
So now, being a kid growing in such an environment, so it gave me the urge to be what I want to be, because like when I was growing up, I didn't know more about it. All that was in my brain was I want to be like my grandfather.
I get that.
So in time when I was growing and schooling, I started knowing that okay, you have civil engineer, you have architect, you have other people. So now when I'm growing up with my knowledge now, I'm now trying to pick the profession I'm going to like further my studies in.
Was there a time in your life where you felt like I should give up this thing?
Well, there's never a day in my life that I'm feeling like civil engineering is not meant for me. I've never felt that way. Because see, all my friends I know, when I went to the high school, we always attend from 5, and later on they need to split people. Like the people who do travel per week and the people that will do that's below the 2. That's draftsmanship. And the people that they are based on construction, bridges and all those stuff.
Yes.
So now, like back then in my class, I was the first. Like we have from 5A for 5B. For 5B, I was like the first. I didn't pay any cost to give them the impression that I need to go to BE, because there was some certain course that if you fail, they send you to BE instead of travel public. But looking at my results and looking at where they sent me, at first I thought that was no justice. Okay, but later on I discovered that they made me have so much passion for civil engineering. Now I had to divert from being a civil engineer, and I did architecture. Back in architecture. So now, when I came to the university now, I had to do civil engineering. So for most of the people that I know, everybody calls me an architect, whereas I'm already a registered engineer in the other.
That registered. I saw that on your, I think it was on your profile. I saw you actually showed the certification.
Yeah,
to show that the others accepted you. That's good.
Yeah, I have
congratulations.
Authorization to practice engineering for this year.